Happy holidays. I got some special folks with me today.
Special folk 1.
And special folk 2.
So they are joining us today to do what?
Day 6 of the 12 Days of Christmas KAL.
Day 6 of the 12 Days of Christmas KAL.
Yeah.
So anywho, let's get started. Okay, the winner for day 6 is, drum roll please, number 30, Resilient Stitch. I would like to pronounce your name, but I don't want to butcher it, but you know who you are. Congratulations! She knitted a beautiful scarf on Ravelry, and it was very, very nice, and she is from the state of Oregon. So, let's tell her what she has won.
Yeah.
You have won one skein of Uru yarn in this beautiful green, dark green colorway. It is absolutely stunning, and it is 70% extra fine merino, 20% baby alpaca, and 10% nylon. It is a sock weight yarn. Oh, okay, great. And you will also receive this beautiful Christmas bag. The Grinch That Stole Christmas. Is that not cute? This was donated by a beautiful friend of the podcast, and it has a cute little zipper pull that says made with love. I don't know if you can see that, probably not. There we go. Let's see. Is it going to focus? Sorry, it's not going to focus. But anyway, check it out. It's beautiful. But you will still also receive the zippered white bag that you can tell me what you would like imprinted on this bag for your personal use or for whatever you want to use it for. So thank you so much, Resilient Stitch, for participating in our KAL, and we will see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.